Let's dive into this week's top stories. 2024 is not over yet, but it's already seen some of the most severe data breaches in recent history. A staggering 1 billion records have been breached so far. AT&T has seen two major data breaches this year. In July, cybercriminals stole phone numbers and phone records of nearly all of AT&T's 110 million customers. And in March, a data breach broker dumped a full cache of 73 million AT&T customer records. Change Healthcare also experienced a major ransomware attack this year. The sensitive data of nearly 1/3 of Americans was stolen and compromised in that attack. And in the UK, the healthcare system there faced its own crisis when a Russian ransomware gang targeted Synovis, a pathology lab that serves hospitals and health services. The data of some 300 million patients was stolen in that attack. The FBI takes down the ransomware gang Radar, seizing its servers and domain. This marks a significant achievement in their fight against ransomware. The seizure included servers in the UK and Germany, and the group's website now displays a message from law enforcement. The ransomware extortion gang has been active since August of 2023 and had previously breached around 340 companies while affiliated with Lockbit. T-Mobile must pay a record-breaking $60 million settlement for failing to disclose and properly address data breaches during its 2020 merger with Sprint. The failures violated a national security agreement that was a prerequisite for the company's $26 billion acquisition of Sprint. T-Mobile failed to promptly report certain data leaks and did not adequately address the breaches of sensitive information. The penalty is the largest fine ever imposed by the Committee on Foreign Investment in the U.S. A warning from both CISA and the FBI about the notorious Royal Ransomware Group. The group is apparently now going under the name of BlackSuit. They began using the new encryptor after the high-profile attack on Dallas, Texas in June of 2023. Royal Ransomware first appeared on the scene in September of 2022 and quickly grew into one of the most prolific ransomware operations, even temporarily surpassing Lockbit as the most active ransomware group in November of 2022. The group's attacks on the healthcare and public health sector targeted Revenetics, Morris Hospital and Healthcare Centers, and Octa Pharma, and prompted a warning from the Health Sector Cybersecurity Coordination Center. ADT, the Florida-based security, fire protection, and alarm monitoring company, confirms its internal systems were breached in July. ADT said only a small amount of subscribers were impacted, and those patients have been notified. TechCrunch reports about 30,000 records were stolen, including phone numbers, addresses, and email addresses. Fortunately, financial information and social security numbers were not impacted. ADT said it has, quote, no reason to believe that customers' home security systems were compromised during the incident. The investigation continues. Gramercy Surgery Center is the latest victim of a cyber attack after a cyber gang leaks its stolen patient data online. The New York Healthcare Center discovered the breach in June when someone copied documents within the center's system. Then in August, the cyber gang known as the Everest team leaked 460 gigabytes of sensitive patient files to their leak site. Information included social security numbers, medical records, and more. Gramercy Surgery Center says it, quote, promptly took steps to secure our systems and commenced an investigation into the nature and scope of the incident.